Wow, it's strong, very strong sucking. Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. See you again. The previous video I just saw about the simple siphon system. Yeah, but today I have a new idea, the special idea with the same siphon system, but I use a special one with the air, right? With a plastic bag, air bag, for pulling or sucking the water from the big river here. So this project called Siphon System, but a lot of people they confuse between Siphon System and pre-energy water pump. Pre-energy water pump just take water from the low place to the high place, but this kind of project they be called Siphon System, just take the water from the high place. Here you can see the water level is so high to the deep place, right? Okay, and the special one that you can see here, that I use air bag here, and then before I go to show you, I will fill the air to the air bag until it full, like this. Okay. Okay. Okay, around 2 kilo. Okay, you can see here around 2 kilo. And then okay, this we call the air pressure to stuck the air when it come back from the end of the here. Let's go to see with me. I love to work. Okay. And here, and you can see a lot of the water is full filled with the end of output pipe. Here this pipe you with the 60 millimeters high one, so one stage, right? It's good for the farmer in the countryside, no need electricity, right? As you can see here, we show you about this. Wow. It's good one, right? Wow. It's a good one. Wow. And then I will use this one to connect it, make sure. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. Wow. It non-stop until I stop it. But if I leave it alone, it still continue to water flow the water like this. Okay, then I go to see the input pipe. How does it suck the water from the big river over there? Okay, let's go to see with me. Go. Okay. It's still have air in this one because of the water flow. Okay, then I go to check it. And then, okay, I will show you how does it work, how does it suck. Okay, then now start to see with me. Okay, be careful, pay attention to see. Wow, it's strong, very strong sucking. Okay, I will take some leaf to show you. I cut it small size for easy to suck. How does it suck? Okay, then now see with me. Here I will show you about this one. Okay, and you can see. Wow. And you can see it's very strong socket. There's some here to show you. Last one. Okay, let's see. Okay, now see with me. I will show you. Oh, the sword. Okay. Woo! Let's see. Because it's a very good idea, good method that all of you can follow my project to set up at your village. That if you have the situation of the situation, same my place here. Okay, yeah, I will show you again. Wow. Okay, now let's go to see again with the apple pie, and then I will say goodbye to you. Let's go to see with me. Go, go, go. Woohoo, it's still cold, right? As you can see, it's real. Wow. You can see here, I will show you like this, and I just put like this. You can see the water flow. Woo. Okay, and the last at least, I would like to say thank you so much. Very thank you that you spend the value time to see my explanation, my video, my review today. And please help me to subscribe or ring the bell if you like my video. And please share my video to your friend, your family, your community that we want to follow to set up this kind of project. Thank you so much. Please have a good day for all of you. Right, okay.